Hi Sonya, this is Richard here at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for your recent inquiry on our 2018 Civic hatchback in that rally red. I got that Sport, the exact one you inquired on, 181276. I can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. Come on inside, look how sporty it is. You're gonna have a backup camera, Bluetooth, whole lot more. I can't wait to show you all the different features. Give me a call, 205-541-2862. I'll set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, Sonya, this is Richard at Tameron Honda, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing, when you get to Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.